Hello everyone. Today's question is how to draw the graph of linear equation. We will learn today how to draw this line on a Cartesian plane. So, to draw this line on a coordinate plane, first of all we need its solution and then we plot those solution on the coordinate plane and join them. So first of all we will find the solution of this linear equation in two variable algebraically. Here x will be 4 minus y. I transpose this y to the another side. Now by putting the value of y की value मैं कुछ भी ले लूंगी 0, 1, -1 any integer. I will take any integer. Put y is equal to 0. If I put y 0, x will be, in this equation I will put all the value. Y 0, x will be 4 minus 0, 4. So x, y. When I put y 0, I get here x 4. वन सॉल्यूशन मुझे मिल गया. वो सॉल्यूशन क्या है आपके पास? 4 and 0. Then put y is equal to 1. X will be 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3. If I put here y1, then x will be 4 minus 1, 3. If x will be 2, y, put y is equal to 2, so x will be 4 minus 2, 2. I put here y 2, then I got here x 4 minus 2, 2. I'll take one negative value also. Then if put y is equal to minus 2, then x will be 4 minus, replace the value of y with minus 2. So x will be 4 minus into minus plus, x will be 6. If y minus 2, then x will be 6. In this way we can find infinite solution. यहाँ मैंने 1, 2, 3, 4 solution निकाले, but हम infinite solution find out कर सकते हैं. Now I have the algebraical solution. First solution 4, 0, x first, then y, then 3, 1. Next solution 2, 2. Next solution 6 minus 2. मैंने इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करा और सॉल्यूशन निकाले, इसके x और y की वैल्यू निकाली. Then we will learn how to draw these solution on graph. So students, for you I draw here roughly the graph paper and coordinate plane by putting x-axis horizontally and y-axis which is crossing x-axis at the origin perpendicularly. So we draw here Cartesian plane. Now it is our equation in two variable x plus y is equal to 4 and we find the solution 4, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 6 minus 2 algebraically. Now we will plot the solution on the graph paper. First solution is 4, 0, x 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Move 4 step, it's plus 4, so 4 step toward the right on the x-axis. Then y0, we will not move forward perpendicularly, so it's 4, 0. then x3 y1, 1 2 3, x3 y1, move perpendicularly 1 unit, so it is 3 1, then x2 y2, 1 2, x2, then from here move 2 step perpendicularly, 1 2, so it is x2 y2. We can obtain a line only by joining the two solutions, but I have taken here 4 solutions. So next is x6 y minus 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and y minus 2, 1 2, here 1 2 3 4 5 6, x6 here, then y2, but it is minus 2, so downward 1 2, minus 2. So by joining, I plotted all these solutions on the graph paper. Now joining these solution, look here, by joining these solution, I obtained here a straight line. This straight line is x plus y is equal to 4. Hence, we draw the graph of given linear equation. How we draw the graph of linear equation? By plotting the solution on the graph paper and joining them. And after joining, I find that I got a straight line. That's why it is called linear equation. Because when I represent this equation geometrically, I get a straight line. That's why it is a linear equation. We can plot every solution of this equation on this line, and every point on this line is a solution of this equation. Each point on the line is a solution of this equation. Clear? I think सबको clear हो गया how we can draw a linear equation on a graph paper. और जैसे जैसे हम आगे क्वेश्चंस करते जाएंगे, you will get more ideas about this. Okay, now in next video we will discuss question number 2, and till then practice all other part of question number 1. When you will solve question number 3, 4, 5, then you will get the idea how to draw graph more clearly.